Okay, guys, so we're going to talk today about what are some great ways to do passive income. Okay, so what is passive income? It's you making money whether you're asleep or you're awake, and you do it once and you don't have to do it again. Okay, so what are some great ideas, especially for like the holidays, birthdays, things like that, that you can send to your email list and be making money? Okay, so let's take a look at these templates that I've created. If you want the templates, they're only $7 for the two of them, so you can just grab that below. But let's talk about what is really great about having some templates. Okay, so this is so great because you guys can see here. So right now, as I'm recording this, we're heading into the Christmas season. And so you can see here, I just put together some really super simple Christmas gift ideas for her. What they can do is you're going to turn this into a PDF, okay? And you're going to send this in your email list. Again, don't forget an email. You're building connection, you're giving value, and you're talking about the product, okay? So what can you can talk about, like, I still need to get gifts for this person, this person, and this person. And so, I found these really cute items on Amazon or at Target or Walmart, wherever you want to use, okay, wherever you've got affiliates at, and then show them off, okay? People need to see photos. And so you can see here, like literally on the template, you just put in your photo, okay? So you upload it in Canva and then just move it over. Okay, super simple. And I just screenshot these off of Amazon. Okay, all of these are Amazon. So I've done two templates: Christmas ideas for her, Christmas ideas for him. Okay, and then you guys, all they have to do is you in Canva, you're just gonna click the photo, and up here put a link. This will be your affiliate link. Okay, now know the rules for the affiliate company you're working with. Okay, but you can totally do this. What this does is, one, it allows you to have passive income. Okay, so you're building that trust, you're helping them be able to solve a problem, which could be Christmas, it could be Valentine's, it could be just about any holiday that's out there. Okay, and here's the nice thing about the templates: you can go in, make a copy, create it for a birthday, create it for Valentine's, whatever that is. Okay, but if you're a brick and mortar store, okay, or like let's say you sell furniture, switch these out to lamps and plants and whatever that is. Okay, and then you could even change this to, the perfect living room. Okay, that's what I love about things like this is you can take that, create, like put it together for them. Okay, people are visual, they need to kind of see it put together. So if you can do that, you see here like the blanket on the chair, they can see that, they can imagine and picture that they're sitting in their favorite chair with a weighted blanket. Okay, but this is such a great way to just add something to your email, make it a part of your email marketing all the time. Okay, I love this, especially if you're a real estate agent. I super love doing things like this, and I'll talk about that in another video because there are so many different ways to do that, because people don't buy houses every week, right? They may not have friends buying houses every week, but they're always buying something for their home. Okay, and if they can see that, no different than with a hairdresser or a massage therapist. Like, we don't get those usually on a weekly basis. But when you can go in and show different products and recommend things, then you're going to have a whole other stream of income. Okay. And basically, you can, if you're like, I don't have time to do it all, um, you can hire somebody for 20, 25 bucks, have it get done, swapped out. Okay. Have somebody on your team do it and it's done. Okay. And it goes out to your whole list. So super simple, super easy. Let me show you guys right quick, just so you can see how I show this off in email. Okay, so let me show you here. So I would talk about it in email, but here's what I would do to show them that. Okay, you can see here, like I've got it on a 600 by 600 graphic, okay? And I would do something like this. Okay, they can still see the photos, they can do it, and then you can send them put a button and put the download, okay? That just, when you put big files, then it makes it difficult. Sometimes your email provider will get a little wonky and your open rates will decrease, okay? So use something like this, put it in your email. After you've talked about it, put it at the bottom and then put a link for them to download. Okay. So anyway, I hope this was helpful. You guys, you can make a ton of money passive income. Okay. If you're not sure how, if you're like, okay, Connie, I'm still not sure how. I have some ideas. I just don't know how to put it all together. That's where my business strategy calls come in, because I put all the pieces together. Okay. And you have a plan. Here's what to put in your group. These work really amazing in Facebook groups. Okay. You can, even on your Facebook page, Instagram, like it works on social media. You're just probably going to get more sales in email. Okay. But if you need all your pieces put together, like if you're ready to start that second stream of income, or how, like second, third, whatever it is, but you want a strategy of all the pieces, that's where the business strategy plan comes in. Okay. So there's some information in the description. Make sure you pick that up. Okay. But you guys, if you want the templates, they're only $7. Okay. Super affordable. You can pick those up, use them for any holiday that you want. Okay. Okay, guys, have a great day.